Modification and approval. 1. Access the Pending for Simulation Approval section within your Lumi Aligners account to find a list of patients awaiting simulation approval along with detailed information about the patient's case. Some of the key details include: case progress. Keep track of your case's journey from submission to completion with this handy timeline. It shows you each step, from simulation to manufacturing and delivery, and lets you know if it is pending or already approved by the laboratory. Treatment plan link. You can review the digital models and manipulate them as needed. Case files. This section displays the patient's records. 2. If you need assistance or have any questions about your patient's treatment plan, you can use the message box to communicate with Lumi. Write your message and click Send. 3. Finally, to approve the treatment plan, simply hit the Approve Simulation button provided on the page. The patient cases that still need adjustments and communication are listed under Pending for Simulation Approval. Once those cases are approved for fabrication, they can be found under Simulation Approved. To view the list of approved patients, navigate to Simulation Approved, which includes the same information shown in the Pending for Approval section. Upon clicking on Invoices and Bills, find the list of all your financial records. By following these steps, you will smoothly handle and review pending cases for simulation approval on the Lumi Aligners platform, making communication and decision-making effortless.